Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am coloring another image from Star Jam Lines. They are a seller on Etsy. You've seen me use their designs several times. Today, I wanted to color the cute little gnome that's surrounded by the butterflies. Spring is here. We're getting close to summer. Summer's just like a month away. So I really want to color this image before it gets much later in the year. So let's head over to my craft table and we'll get started. All right, everyone, here's a look at the colors that I'm going to be using today. Feel free to pause the video and write them down or take a screenshot. So before we get into this card, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of your feedback on my crafty roulette. I had so much fun with it, and I've already filmed the intro for the next one, and the next one's going to be a little difficult. And so those are going to go up every other Wednesday. So the next one will be next Wednesday on the 19th. So again, I really appreciate you. If you like it, feel free to share it or challenge some of your favorites on YouTube. Send them to the video and challenge them to participate. So we're about to get some really bad storms. So I'm going to turn on some music and just let you watch me color. I'm not doing anything over the top. You guys know how I do. Darkest to lightest. And again, you'll see all of the colors at the beginning. But I will catch back up with you when I go to make this image into an actual card. So I kind of struggled with picking a pattern for the card. I really wanted him to stand out. I didn't want competing patterns. Initially, I thought I was going to do the navy and the yellow, but I ended up just using the navy for this card. So this paper is from the My Favorite Things. You guys saw that haul a couple of weeks ago, but that's it. This is it for the card. This card will be available in my Etsy shop on Friday. You hear Roxy in the background jingling. I have a card going live on Thursday with scrapbookpal.com on their YouTube channel, where I used that puddle play stamp set to create a card using the bear image. So that's why I'm waiting for Friday, because that card will also be available. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to allow the video to keep playing, but I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. I really appreciate you. Like I said, make sure you share that crafty roulette video, tag on Instagram, tag your favorite creators on my post, yeah, or share the video with them. I would love to invite more people to participate. So all right guys, I love you so much. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.